So I just discovered an insane way to research AI SaaS business ideas in 30 minutes using free tools. Let me show you. So I've been trying to learn more about a specific niche and see if I could solve its problems with AI. And I came across this process that I found really helpful for finding solid opportunities. So what I've noticed is that most people are trying to solve vitamin problems versus painkiller problems. Vitamin problems are nice to have, painkillers are I need it now. So the process is pretty simple. You're gonna pick a niche with real expensive problems. Two, you're going to use 3 free deep research tools to validate the idea, and then you're going to feed everything into Google AI Studio to help you build a strategy. I'm going to show you exactly how this works, so let's walk through it. So like I said, step 1 is going to be picking the niche. You're going to select something that either you already know has pain points, or you can just use something like ChatGPT and brainstorm industries where AI could make a real difference. So then we get to the deep research phase. So this is where it gets kind of interesting. I'm going to use Gemini, ChatGPT, and Perplexity. So I'm going to feed them all the exact same prompt. Here's the prompt I use for each tool. 1, the biggest pain reliever problems that cost the business money. 2, current workflows that people use to solve these problems. 3, we want the existing competitors and their features. Find reviews on Reddit, Capterra, and other sources, and identify the gaps that we can fill as a wedge opportunity. What would businesses pay for this solution? What do they currently pay to solve this problem? And then 5, based on the research, would you start this business? So like I said, once we have all the research reports, I'm gonna throw it all into Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is great because it has a million token context windows. So I can provide all 3 of these deep research reports, and we can just churn through all that research at once and give us any kind of insight that we want. So here's some of the things that I use Google AI Studio to generate with all that research. 1, I ask it for a validation roadmap. 2, I ask for cold outreach templates. 3, I've had it build a complete landing page spec and copy that targets specifically the ICP and the pain points that they have. What I really love about this process is you're getting 70% of the way there to validation before you start building anything. I hope this helps. I post a new video every single day, and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow.